So we will go to Silicon Oasis to throw the recyclables.
Yeah, in the middle of the day, the temperature is like 1 million degrees, but there is no excuse. Since I'm working in a bar, so I started teaching my staff as well to put all the plastic on the side, and the cans on the side, and all the alcohol bottles, the glass, you know, so I'm taking everything. We will show you in a bit.
We are here.
Here we go.
We will just park the car.
We'll take you with us to see how we are segregating what we are doing, and then the boxes that we got the alcohol bottles in, we will take it back so that we can refill it.
See, those are the recyclables that we have. Plastic. I wanted to take the... I'm just opening the plastic to throw the carton.
Make sure you don't throw the plastic.
I'm not gonna throw the plastic.
I know. You throw the
Oh my god, it's very hot. We are in the middle of the boiling weather. It's so hot. Oh my god. My skin is burning already. Oh, it's very hot. So, again, another batch. I will take the bottles.
You can throw it with the cap on because it's not.
So finally, this is the last box of the recyclable. So I'm gonna just carry it and give it. So we can see it. Oh, it's heavy though. I'm carrying it. Let's see. Not bad. So just a message for everyone. Try to save the world. Try to show the plastic in recyclable as well as the can and the glasses, and same for the papers and cartoon. So that's it for today. So thanks God we are finished. We can go